Carefully remove the old LCD fascia using the trim removal tool. This ensures you don't damage your furniture. Remove the 4 screws securing the control panel to the furniture. The control panel can now be pulled away. Tape off the area to prevent damage and overcutting. Use the hole cover as a template to mark out the hole. Ensure that it's centered. Use the marker pen to draw the cutting guidelines onto the masking tape. Make sure all wires are out of the way before commencing cutting. Use the multi-cutter to carefully extend the hole for the new control panel. Test that the control panel fits. When the hole is cut correctly, remove the masking tape. Place the new control panel inside the new fascia and connect the wiring loom to the rear. If you're unsure, follow the instructions on the sticker on the reverse of the control panel. Carefully push the control panel into the hole and secure it in place with 4 screws. Start at the top right, bottom left, and then bottom right. This will ensure that the screen is not cracked from any tension. You are now able to remove the protective film from the front of the control panel and replace the control panel cover carefully from the bottom to the top.